In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva Magic Edit. So start by opening up your design in Canva, then select the image you want to edit. The next is click on the edit button at the top toolbar. And here under Magic Studio, you can just click on the next button until you see Magic Edit. And here's how it works. First, use your brush to highlight the area of the image you want to change, and don't worry about being perfect. Just make sure to cover the object or part you want to replace. Then next, in this text box, type the prompt describing what you want to replace it with. And once done, press the generate button. Canva will then instantly replace the selected object with your text input. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!